Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums where we will convert the patterns into mathematical expressions using variable. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following matchstick pattern. Use a variable to write the rule. In the first case, we are writing letter T using 2 matchsticks. So for one T, we'll need 2 matchsticks. For 2, we'll need 4 matchsticks. And that is equal to number of T's multiplied by 2. And if we take a letter to represent number of T, as let's say T into 2, it will be 2T. So the rule is 2T. Similar way, for Z we require 3 for 1, so it will be 3Z. If Z is the number of Z's we want to represent. For U we need 3, so it is 3U. If U is the number of letter U we want to write. For V it would be 2 into V. For 1 we require 2. So for more we'll require 2 into the number of V's we want to write. For E, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need 4 for 1. So if we take number of E's as E, then it will be 4E. For letter S, we require 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So we'll use 5S. And for letter A, we need 3. So 3 into A, 3A will be the rule. Now this T, Z, they are the variables I am using. Variables or the alphabet I am using to represent number of T's I want to write, number of Z's I want to write, number of U's. So for example, if we take this U, if I want to write 10 U's, then how many matchsticks I need? I need 3 U matchsticks where U is 10. So that would be 3 into 10. And that would be 30 matchsticks. So for 10 U's, I will require 30 matchsticks. For 10 S, I will require 50 matchsticks because 5 into 10. S is 10, S is 1, S is 2. Number of S will be replaced by this letter. Let's do the next one. Look at the following matchstick patterns of squares. The squares are not separate. 2 neighboring squares have a common matchstick. Observe the patterns and find the rule that gives the number of matchsticks. Now here, we'll write here squares. So how many squares we are making and how many matchsticks are needed. And finally, we will write the pattern. So how many squares I have here? First 1, here 2, here 3, and here 4. How many matchsticks I need? Here I need 4 matchsticks. Here I need 4, 5, 6, 7 matchsticks. Here 4, 6, so 7, and then 8, 9, 10 matchsticks. And then 11, 12, 13 matchsticks. So if we see between these, when I move from 1 to 2, when I move from 1 to 2, 1 square to 2 square, I need to add 3 more matchsticks. From 2 to 3, when I move from 2 to 3, I again needed to add 3 more matchsticks. From 10 to 13, so 3 to 4, I need to add 3 more matchsticks. And for 1 square, I need 4. But even 4, I can write as 1 plus 3. Which means I need 3 matchsticks for each square, but only for the first square, I need additional 1 matchstick. So I need number of squares are 1, 3 into 1 plus 1. Number of squares are 2, 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. So what I need is, if I call this number of squares I represent with letter S, then the matchsticks which I need are 3 times S plus 1. So 3, 3, 3, 3 every time adding new square I need 3, but for the first, only for the first square we need 1 extra, and that is 1 plus 1 here, which is needed for the first square. And for other than that, we always need 3 matchsticks to complete a square. So 3s plus 1 is our answer. Cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in one row. What is the rule which gives the number of cadets given the number of rows? So if there is one row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cadets. 2 rows, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one row, and another row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total I have 10. If I have 3 rows of 5 each, I have 15. So if I see here that 5 is equal to 1 into 5. Here it is equal to 2 into 5. Here it is equal to 3 into 5. 1 row into 5. 2 rows into 5. 3 rows into 5. So this 1, 2, 3 is a variable, and that represents number of rows. What happens if I have n rows? Then how many I will have? I will have n into 5, or represented as 5n. 5n cadets I will have. 3 into 5, it will be n into 5. Let's do the next one. If there are 50 mangoes in one box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in terms of number of boxes? So here I am writing box, and here I am writing mangoes. If it is one box, I have 50 mangoes. If it is 2 boxes, then 50 plus 50, 2 times 50. So it was only 1 time 50. It becomes 50 plus 50, because 2 boxes. If I have 3 boxes, it will be 50 plus 50 plus 50. If I have 4 boxes, first box 50, second box 50, third box 50, fourth box also 50. So total mangoes, if you see here, 50 is 1 time. 1 time 50. Here 2 times 50. So it is 2 into 50, which is 100. 50 plus 50, 100. 2 into 50, 100. Here 3 times 50. We know successive addition is multiplication. 1, 2, 3 times 50. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 50. And we see that as we change the number of boxes, this number is changing. This is a variable. So if I represent number of boxes by B, so if I go ahead and if I have B number of boxes, then I will have B into 50 mangoes, and which is represented as 50B. We remove the multiplication sign and generally write the alphabet after the number. So 50B, 50 times B. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.